Hello and welcome to Hand and Heart Phonics. My name is Michelle Hand and I am the founder of Hand and Heart. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to use H&H Phonics Unit 1 and the free video lessons that go along with them. In Unit 1, it's designed for beginning readers. So each lesson is going to follow a similar format so that students know what to expect. They will review letter sounds, practice blending, read high-frequency words, and finish with a short decodable passage and comprehension questions at the end. Each lesson that is online with the free video also has a matching printable lesson. Print the lesson pages, open the video, and have your learner follow along with pencil or a crayon. Encourage your reader to point to each letter and word, say the sounds, blend the sounds together, and read the full word. When they get to the passage, have them read it more than once. When readers reread the passage, they are building accuracy, confidence, and fluency. Pause the video whenever your student needs more time to understand, to blend, reread, or just to take a quick break. You can do one lesson a day, a few lessons each week, or repeat the lessons as needed. Consistency matters more than getting through the lessons quickly. With that being said, students should also be reading beginning readers or decodable books to reinforce the spelling patterns and high-frequency words that they learn throughout the lessons. You may find the complete Unit 1 printable resource and the free lesson playlist linked in the description. Thank you for learning with Hand and Heart. If you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Enjoy.